vacuum addict, or whatever you prefer. And today we're just going to do the update on this very rare Hoover Dirtseacher indeed.
I'm going to shake it on the carpet now.
Well, go on then, put that on the carpet then. We're just going to put the Hoover food down for the machine to see how well it cleans up. Well, back to this. This one is the very rare Dirtseacher indeed.
Put the belt on!
Yeah, we haven't put the belt on yet.
Why? Get him out, Nifter.
This one is the U1016. It was manufactured in 1976.
It's showing the bus bar spinning.
Alright.
In a minute.
And it is a February 1976 model.
It's showing the bus bar.
As you can see, this machine has been restored back to how it used to look. So I've probably knocked about 35 years off this one. This machine is 41 years old, believe it or
the
not.
bus bar.
Alright.
Put the camera underneath the vacuum. Underneath. I'm spinning the bus bar.
There you go, you can just about see that.
You see the back of the bus bar. You look to the top, you see its back.
As you can see on the earlier video, I actually used a donor vacuum, which will actually refurbish 3 machines.
Showed in the back bit.
Yeah.
See, it's got a back as well. The proper back one.
So,
And now you've got the
as you can see,
on.
the Hoover rounder appears from thin air, but that'll come off the other machine.
Dad,
The back of this one was originally very rusty.
Dad, bit about the poos.
This come off the original machine. This one was owned by an ex-Hoover engineer, and he has, this one in fact has a plastic fan, which I don't think it should have come with, because Carl actually has got a later Junior,
Dirtseacher.
and it has a metal fan on it, but it does make a
No, it's a bulb.
I'll show the bulb. As you can see, the lens is still a little bit yellow. I think this one come off one of the earlier, I think come off the donor machine actually, I can't remember.
Yeah.
This is almost a year later when I first did the original video of this one.
And there's the bulb.
And there's the bulb in there. And there's the 2 prongs. That's where the Dirtseacher bit in there. There's like a circuit board sort of style material in behind where the obviously electrical isolator.
It's original bulb in there.
Yeah. This one also has had the I can't think what it's called. The suppressor taken out of, because there's no suppressor at all in this one, which is good.
What suppressor it's got on there?
Well, it would have had like was the classics. It would have had the suppressor in that one.
It's in. It's got a gap there.
Yeah, that's all right.
It's supposed to have that gap.
Yeah, it's always got to have a gap. As you can see, it is a sort of a matte finish at the moment. If anybody can tell me how I can polish this one up, it's gone almost back to its original. It is a slate olive sort of style colour as well. You can see there where this handle release has been replaced.
Yeah.
So that's been replaced sometime. The bag has a genuine Hoover bag in there.
It's a bit sicky.
Yeah.
On the video, I'm showing it inside here.
This is a top fill. This is the first top fill Dirtseacher as well.
And I'm going to show the viewers the dirt going
In fact, I think that there is the top fill Dirtseacher as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's the U1012, I think, which is the more common one.
On the video, I want to show them the dirt.
We can do that, yeah, that's fine. So what we're going to do now, I think the reason why this one was so rare is because possibly Argos, which was a major retailer, they started like early to mid 70s. They never stopped this one, and I think it was only available in the electricity board shops. The electricity board shops I can remember when I was a child were I would say more like a Curry's
PC Round
or a Comet, where it but they only sold really like vacuum cleaners, cookers, and what you used to do, I think, if I may be wrong, just say you were in your electricity board shop, you could buy the item and they could add it onto the bill as a credit. It was a way of buying things on credit. But they actually died out when they privatised the companies and the French come in and bought out a lot of the... so it just disappeared really, which was a shame. So, right, as you can see as well, this one has like an orange pedal on it, and it also has an orange slider. It's now adjusted back. It's been adjusted back to the... This is also a 70s machine which has the shag rug style setting, but obviously for the demo they want to do it on a short pile.
No, when I got children inside the bag.
Alright, well the car wants to do this bit here, so we'll do this quickly.
Top seal, so do only a couple, one little pass.
Right.
Suck some stuff up.
Go on then.
There it goes. It's over the suck. Let's pop it upwards. Go. Sure it went in the bag?
Yeah.
And what's it look like when it went in the bag?
Well, you can see that when I'll show you when you watch it on YouTube. So yeah, it is a top fill. You can see how it fills up. This is the deluxe version because it has the these bits normally break off. So if you're ever going to restore one of these, be very careful with these.
You see, it's over a little line.
It has, isn't it? So
Go over it.
we use the 70s technology to clean up the carpet today.
3, 2, 1.
Go on then. Well, there we have the
What's
very...
that burner salad?
Nothing. That's the belt, mate. It hasn't been used for a long time, has it?
Yeah.
It's the belt.
And now one of my soap detectors will go off.
Alright. So there we have...
That sounds like a barbecue. That sounds like one of many barbecues.
So there we have a very rare Hoover Dirtseacher
Well, over
indeed.
the hallway, they're going to hear the left detect go off.
So thank you for watching. And we'll be back with another 70s cleaner.
It sounds like burnt
Again,
toast.
this is a news flash. Do you remember the burning smell that was on the video?
Is this?
Yeah, we want to put it on a white piece of paper. The actual capacitor, which I said wasn't in there, because normally they have like a big round one in there. This is a later.
I got a big round one.
This is a later machine. No, don't have to get that one. But yeah, they normally like big round ones and silver colour. And this actually blew. So I've had to rewire it now. So it is all working fine as it should do.
Got one already?
Yeah, that's an Electrolux capacitor. That's what they look like. We've took that out of Electrolux.
Yeah, in that Hoover.
Yeah.
Got one too.
So that's what they normally look a little bit like a disc one on the earlier juniors.
Yeah,
But this has got like a little one in there.
Another one's like that.
Yeah. And as you can see, look, it's actually blue, mate. So the Dirtseacher is fine. It is our first capacitor we've had blown on screen. So we're now in the capacitor blown club. Because I know iBasics had a couple blow.
Why?
And this is our first one.
After the next one's blow.
Yeah, he's had that one blow, hasn't he?
Yeah,
That's our first Hoover capacitor.
Hoover Shoonie, we passed it to her
So what do you say now?
Bye! So now,
Bye.
go to the bin.
Bye.